Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial I'm going to be drawing the Miraculous Ladybug. I was watching the Miraculous Ladybug cartoon with my daughter yesterday and I thought how cool the characters looked in there. The main protagonists are the ladybug that I'm drawing here, Miraculous Ladybug, and a guy called Cat Noir, which I'll be drawing in my next video. I went through the outlines with a pencil to start with. I just found an image on the internet that I liked and I freehanded that, and then I'm using my Faber-Castell brush liner, which is a permanent pen, to go over the lines. To colour the image in, I'm actually using a mixture of my Copic markers and my Winsor & Newton markers. They're both alcohol based pigment markers which you can blend with. For the red on the Miraculous Ladybug, I'm using a lipstick red and I'm using a black for the spots, and the face I used a mixture between a pearl pink, pearl white and a sand colour, and for the hair I used a mixture of a couple of blues. I use an indigo blue and I also used an azure blue, leaving some white highlights in there as well. For the eyes I used a denim blue for the lightest area, and I also went up to the azure blue, and then I went to a royal blue for the outline edges around the eyes. I used a cool grey one for the actual eyeballs themselves, just to give them a little bit of definition so they can stand out. And I also used a Pentel Signo Broad white pen just to bring out some highlights in the eyes and in the areas around the eyes, and also a few of the strands of hair, just to give it that realistic look and a little bit of dimension. If you're drawing with graphite or pen and ink, you need to give your drawing some dimension, and by doing some of the areas darker and some of the areas lighter, you are going to get that effect, as long as your light source is always being followed. So the light source for this picture was coming from the top right. You can see on the picture now that I'm highlighting some of the hair in that top right corner, and that has to correspond throughout the drawing. So as you'll see me doing the face in a second, the darkest side of the face is the left hand side because that's the side away from the light, and that just corresponds with the light source that I'm trying to create. This was a really great drawing to draw. It was quite easy. I'd love to see some of your attempts and drawings. Maybe you've got some of the Cat Noir. We're nearing the end of the video now, so I just wanted to thank you all for supporting my channel. It makes a real big difference when you do like, share and comment. You can get hold of me on Facebook. There's a link in all the descriptions to all my social media. Really happy with how this drawing turned out. So don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. If you've not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notifications button. I'm trying to aim to do daily videos at the moment, but I'm really happy with how these drawings are turning out at the minute. I'm loving the Copic markers and the alcohol based markers. I just wanted to thank you once again for supporting the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.